This is Chicago's very own WGN Midday News.
A federal judge has temporarily at least stopped President Trump's order to pause trillions of dollars in federal funding for a number of assistance programs. That happened just minutes before the president's pause was about to go into effect. Hello again, everyone. I'm Patrick Elwood.
And I'm Dina Bair. Thank you for joining us. Eric Rung is in the newsroom with our top story. Eric?
Well, the judge's temporary hold lasts until Monday, but Illinois joined at least 20 more states in filing suit to stop the funding pause altogether, calling it unconstitutional. After the confusion and concern of a Monday night White House memo to states and cities wore off, the uncertainty of what a federal freeze on trillions of dollars meant to fund a wide swath of federal assistance programs and grants set in.
I made a promise to the people of Illinois. When it comes to threats to our freedom, health, or security, if you come for my people, you come through me.
The Trump administration ordered a 90-day pause in the federal funding to better determine if the programs align with President Trump's views on things like abortion, transgenderism, and other, quote, Marxist equity programs.
It's important to understand that it's a review process to say that there's for discretionary spending that's not directed by Congress or required by law.
The fear, however, shared by Chicago and the state is the order will encompass a lot more, including veteran services, Head Start programs, and education grants. A fear realized after Illinois and other states reported problems with their Medicaid reimbursement system.
This is an attack on the nation's most vulnerable populations. To cut seniors off from food or strip access to health care from critical patients is a display of cruelty driven by the values of this new administration.
The Trump administration says Medicare, Social Security, student loans, and food stamps would not be impacted. It later added Medicaid to that list. More than 20 states, including Illinois, as well as large nonprofits, have filed federal lawsuits asking a judge to permanently stop the order from taking effect.
The executive branch cannot unilaterally disregard appropriations passed by a separate and equal house of government.
White House counsel's office believes that this is within the president's power to do it, and therefore he's doing it.
The White House also added it is trying to be good stewards of the taxpayer money by making sure there was no more money for wokeness. In the newsroom, I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.